Good morning. So today I will discuss to you what is the meaning of discriminant. So discriminant is the value of the expression b squared minus 4ac. Okay, tatandaan nyo lagi yung formula na to. This expression is the discriminant of quadratic equation. ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yung value na to, ang nagsasabi o nag-describe kung ano ang roots ng isang quadratic equation. So I will give you this one. When the discriminant b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real numbers and equal. So bakit sinasabi na real numbers ang magiging root ng equation kapag ang discriminant ay 0? Kasi meron din naman kasing not real numbers. So yun yung mga imaginary numbers. Okay, now, magiging equal ang kanilang roots. Let's say, sinolve natin ang quadratic equation, ang lumabas na value or root ng x is 2, yung isa 2 din, lagi silang equal. Okay, yun yung sinasabi na kapag ang value nito ay 0, ang roots niya ay equal and real numbers. Okay, bibigyan ko yun ng example. Halimbawa, class, ang given is x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Ayan. So, kunin natin yung value ng a, b, and c. So, our a here is 1, coefficient ng taas, na degree. And our b is equal to negative 4. And our c is equal to 4. Okay, so substitute natin itong tatlo doon sa formula ng discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. Okay, let us substitute. Our b is negative 4, so we're going to find the square of negative 4, which is negative 4 squared minus 4, dun galing yun, times our a is 1, and our c is 4. Okay, to find the discriminant, using this formula, so we're going to find the square of negative 4, which is positive 16, because negative 4 multiplied by itself is positive 16. And then, minus 4 times 1 is 4, then 4 times 4 is 16. When you subtract the same number, the result is 0. So, naging 0 ang value ng discriminant. Pag nag-0 siya, tatandaan niyo lagi, real numbers ang roots tsaka equal. So, magiging equal yung pagsasolve natin ito. Okay, pag sinolve nyo ito using factoring method or using quadratic formula, ang magiging solution niyan ay equal. Pareho ang makuha. Okay, I hope you understand this number 1 part. Continue our discussion based upon the first given or example of the discriminant. When discriminant value is 0, kung magsi-0 ang value nito, then ang nature of roots are real numbers and equal. Equal yung magiging x natin. Halimbawa, nag-solve tayo ng quadratic equation using factoring or any method. Nakuha natin yung value ng x. Pareho sila. Pareho. X is 5 and x is 5. Yun yung nagsasabi ng nature of roots. Depende sa discriminant. Like this one, example natin kanina. X squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Na sinabstitute natin dito sa discriminant, dito yon, and then nag-0 yung discriminant natin. Kapag 0 ang discriminant, lalabas na nature of roots ay real numbers at saka equal. Okay, next is greater than 0. Paano kung greater than 0, class? Yung naging discriminant natin. Sinabstitute natin dito sa expression na to, ang lumabas hindi 0, greater than 0, and perfect square pa. So, dapat alam nyo kung ano yung mga perfect square numbers. Okay, let's say 1 is a perfect square, 4, 9, and 16, etc. So, kapag ganito ang nakuha natin discriminant, magiging rational numbers and not equal ang value ng x natin or ng roots. Magkaiba. Yung isang x is 5, isa siguro is 2, like that. So now, given example number 2, we have x squared plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0, getting the value of a, b, c. So a is 1, b is 7, and c is 10. After getting the value of a, b, c, using the discriminant formula b squared minus 4ac, Let us substitute the value of a, b, c. So our b squared is 7 squared because our b is 7. b minus 4 and a is 1, c is 10. So we're going to simplify. 7 squared is equal to 49. Okay, that's it. Minus 4 times 1 times 10 is 40. Ito galing doon. Getting the value of the discriminant 49 minus 40, the difference is 9. And 9 is a perfect square number. Okay? And that is greater than 0. Ang magiging nature of roots niyan ay rational numbers and not equal. Hindi siya mag-equal. Magkaiba sila ng value ng x. So, yun. Okay, meron tayong third and fourth example pa. Paano kung greater than 0 and then hindi siya perfect square? Ano kaya ang magiging nature ng roots ng quadratic equation? Paano naman kung halimbawa ay negative ang nakuha natin, less than 0, ano kaya ang nature of roots? So yun ang susunod nating i-discuss. Sana naintindihan nyo ang ating lesson for today na discriminant. Yung discriminant, siya ang nagdi-describe, nagsasabi kung ano ang magiging nature ng roots ng quadratic equation. That's all for today and thank you.